Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, this is Tech Sense with Samuel. Today I'm going to be showing you a very simple way to save smartly using your mobile phone. Saving is not about keeping your money; it's about growing it smartly. Today I'm going to be using an application to guide you on how to save smartly. The application is called Cowrywise. I've been using it for more than 7 years and I've been seeing results. So no pressure, no much stress. So all you just have to do is follow the step given to you, and trust me, we are going to have a beautiful result at the end of the day. So without wasting much of our time, let's just dive in and open your Play Store and type in Carrywise. Type in Carrywise because I already have Carrywise on my phone. So you just ask me to log in. But if you don't have Carrywise, just download it, then open, then register. Follow the prompt, follow the instruction given to you, fill out the necessary details. Because I already have an account, so just need to sign in, then type in your password after you've registered and you've done all the necessary things to do. So just input your password and sign. So this is the dashboard. You're going to see home, save, invest. So but for this video, we're going to be talking only on save. So we're going to be talking on save. Okay, before then you can check your profile, put in all necessary information that will be required from you. Like I said, you can go to the settings, check your profile, put in your username, name of kin, gender, date of birth, security questions, BVN, national. All these things will be required for. Okay, not to worry. It's actually a safe platform. Like I said, I've been using it for more than 7 years and I've been working very well. So you can save by yourself, and you can also have numbers of portfolio. You can save for school fee, you can save for rent, you can save for landed property, you can save for anything, you can save to buy car. So, but for the benefit of this training, we are going to just use a very simple example by clicking on that plus sign in front of that save by myself. Click on that plus sign, then uh, click next to you can give your portfolio a name or your plan a name. So I'm going to do test. No, let's do Christmas. Let's do Christmas for you to understand very well. So let's assume you want to save for Christmas in 2026. It depends how much you earn. You want to save 1,000, 2,000 naira. Is it daily? Is it weekly? You save monthly. So it depends. Like I said, depends. If you're a salary earner, you pay monthly. If you earn daily, you s- you advise to save daily. Like I always advise, save smartly. So if you are saving monthly, you pick the day you want to start out of the month. If you're saving every month, put the date. If you want to say the first day of the month, put it. If you weekly, you decide which of the week. So you are saving 1,000 naira every month, the first of every month. So that's when. So since we are saving first day of every month, 1,000 naira will be uh, debited from our account every month. They're going to be debiting it from our account every month. And all right. So after you've done that, you click next. You see the summary of what you've done. Your maturity date is December 22nd. Since it's for Christmas, I always advise people to set 2 days before the exact day that you need it. And the reason is this, so that if you need it on the 25th, if you make your withdrawal on the 22nd, you're going to get it on the 23rd. It takes 24 hours for the money to hit your bank account for security reason. If you didn't initiate the withdrawal, it will show, and you are going to get an email that there is a withdrawal process. If you are not the one that initiated it, you can always cancel it. So that is the main reason why I always. So you see, you have your saving plan will show the maturity date. You also be seeing it there. So and you cannot withdraw it until the maturity date. So you can always create more possible, multiple portfolio for yourself, and so on. So that's that for this trading. So I'm going to be showing us the next video strictly on. I'll be showing you on how to invest, buying stocks and the likes. So if you find this video very useful, kindly like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can see more meaningful and more tech tips like this. Thank you.